Okay, Emma, I'm going to apologize for the shakiness of this video, but I wanted to let you know that I found out what we did wrong on the standard deviation problem. So let me walk you through the steps. This kind of all looks complicated here, but I'll walk you through step by step what everything is. The very first, excuse me, the very first thing we need to do is make sure we have all of our data points, which you see across the top there. This is the formula to find the standard deviation, and I will go through that in a little more detail. Actually, instead of focusing on this, I'd rather focus on the steps because I think the steps will help you. So the very first thing that we need to do here is to find the mean. So you can see I found the mean here. The mean turns out to be 126. To find the mean, I just took all the data points that you see here. I rewrote them so they're in numerical order. I didn't really need to. That's kind of habit for me. So I went ahead and did that. I added up everything. I divided by 6 digits and got the mean of 126. So from that point, what we do for step number 2 here, step number 1 is to find the mean. Step number 2 here is to take a look at each data point and find out the difference between that data point and the mean. So if the mean is 126, my first data point is 116. The difference is 10. 126 minus 116. The difference is 10, and then I take that difference and I square it. Okay, that's what this is right here. We're going to square it, and so I squared that, and that is 100. The next data point is 126. Excuse me. The mean is 126. The next data point is 117. That difference is 9. No, yes it is. That difference is 9. Sorry, I just looked at it and something didn't quite compute, but yes, the difference there is 9. 9 squared is 81. And I would do the same thing with each other data point. 126 minus 121 is 5. Square that is 25. 126 minus 126 is 0. Square that is 0. 135 minus 126, that difference is also 9. Square that is 81. And then over here, 141 minus 100.